If you've ever dreamed of hitting the road in your own cozy, compact home on wheels, this ultra-efficient micro camper might just be the perfect inspiration. Built inside a Ford Transit Connect passenger van, this tiny rig proves that you don't need a huge RV or a six-figure budget to enjoy the van life in comfort and style. The build comes from a small but passionate company based in Valparaiso, Indiana, called Small Vans Big World. Run by a dynamic duo, Daniel and Christina, this team specializes in transforming everyday vans into fully functional mobile homes. Their latest project is not only beautiful and clever, but also compact enough to take almost anywhere. It's perfect for stealth camping, city driving, or heading off the beaten path. Let's start with the exterior, which looks surprisingly ordinary at first glance. From the outside, it resembles a regular passenger van, helping it blend in wherever you go. But if you look closer, you'll notice the subtle camper upgrades: a Shore power hookup, diesel heater fill port, a roof-mounted solar panel, a MaxxAir fan, and light bars for visibility and added safety. It's practical, low-key, and adventure-ready. Step inside, and you'll immediately be greeted by a warm, inviting interior that feels more like a tiny cabin than a van. The design is bright and homey, featuring natural wood shiplap walls, vinyl plank flooring, and white cabinetry that make the space feel much bigger than it really is. The layout is simple but incredibly functional. There's no wall separating the cab from the living area, just a pull-up privacy screen that doubles as a projector screen, perfect for movie nights on the road. Above the driver's seat, a headliner shelf adds much-needed storage, while nearby hooks provide spots for clothes or bags. The seating area is built around an L-shaped couch created from 3 cleverly designed benches. These not only offer comfy seating for up to 4 people, but also convert into a bed in seconds using a pull-out frame system. One of the bench sections even hides a portable toilet, neatly tucked away for convenience. Just behind the driver's seat, an Iseco fridge box sits within reach, doubling as a seat with a cushion on top. Opposite the couch, you'll find the tiny but mighty kitchen setup. Despite its small size, it includes a farmhouse-style sink, a pull-out faucet, a slide-out dining/work table, and even a wall-mounted iPad holder for working on the go. Storage is smartly integrated with overhead shelves, 4 spacious drawers, and compartments to house all the camper systems. A solar charge controller, small inverter, and lithium battery power the essentials, while a battery monitor, light dimmers, and multiple outlets make this tiny space feel like a high-tech studio. For water needs, there are 2 tanks, one for fresh water, one for gray water, with the latter featuring an electric dump valve. Even the rear of the van is put to good use, with a slide-out table built into the back of the couch that turns into an outdoor workstation or dining table when the doors are open. It's not a luxury RV, and it doesn't try to be. What it offers instead is simplicity, smart design, and maximum functionality in the tiniest possible space. With affordability, fuel efficiency, and stealth in mind, this micro camper van is ideal for solo travelers, couples, or digital nomads who value mobility and minimalism. Daniel and Christina have once again proven that with the right vision and craftsmanship, even the smallest van can be transformed into a comfortable, full-time home on wheels. Whether you're escaping for a weekend or living life on the road, this micro camper van is ready to roll.